There we have a XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I will tell you how you can make your tablet louder. So in the first step we have to open the settings and go to the sound section. Now slide a little down and look for the additional settings. Go back, look for the sound effects. Now just turn on a Dolby Atmos effects and go to the graphic equalizer. If you see there is a lot of equalizer options, just check everything of it and choose the loudest one. But if you want to try the other way, you can always download a volume speaker booster from the Play Store. I choose that one applications. And how you can see now, by this little slider you can increase and decrease boost level of on your tablet. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.